In the last video, we learned about insert menu. So insert menu, how to insert the tables. So we learned how to insert the tables and designing your tables and like putting a styles for your tables and merge cells, split tables and all we learned in the last class. Okay. So in this class, so in today's session, we are going to learn how to insert a pictures, how to insert a shapes and smart charts and charts. So this is like MS Word, right? So first home tab we already studied in the previous classes. So in the insert menu also tables and all we studied in the previous classes. The first option here is like today's session, the first option is about a cover page. So this cover page we usually call as a front page. So front page, if you see in your notebooks and all, notebooks or magazines and all, no, you'll be having a front page. So this is a front page we generally call it as. So this front page we can also use for a project also. Whenever we are preparing any projects, no, using a Word document. So in that time we can also use this cover pages as a front page. So you have so many designs here for cover page. You can choose any of the design. Based on this design, you can select. See, I'm selecting this particular design here. Okay, so I have written a small document header, student assignment over here, and let me write here MS Office. So like this. So this is all about a cover page. And if you want to see this cover page, just click on a file menu, click on a print option and see how the cover page will be looks like this. So next option is blank page. Blank page means it will help you to insert a new blank page. So like this. So you can insert a new blank page like this. Okay. So this is one page and this is the second page. See, you can insert a new sheet, new blank page you can insert here. Okay. So the next option is here about the pictures. So these pictures, no, it helps you to insert a pictures by default pictures, whatever it is available in your system. So I'm selecting one picture over here and inserting a picture like this. See, once you insert a pictures, no, like if you select that pictures, one more tab called formats. So that format option will be opened. You can see here the format option. So in this format option, you have so many types of formats where you can format your picture. The first thing is like you can just format from here corrections. So you can format a corrections here. You can give a colors also. See different types of colors, like any type of colors you can select. See, I'm selecting this color. See how the backend is changing. So select like this here. And you can also give a colors here again. Further, you can give some different types of colors. See, like this. You can change. See, I'm selecting this color. It is showing like this. Okay, I'm selecting this particular color. It is showing like this. So you can use these kind of different types of colors and all you can use here. Okay, you have some effects also. So you have some different types of effects. See, like this. So any types of effects you can use here for your pictures. Okay. Yeah. So next is like change picture. It is used to change your pictures. If not this, you can change any other pictures there. And again, you have some formats here. Whichever the format you want, you can use that particular format. See, different types of formats you have. You can apply any type of a format here. So like this. Okay. So here you have a picture border. Picture borders are nothing about. So you can see in this picture you have an outline border. That outline border is black. So instead of that black, you can select any other outline borders. See like this. You can select any of the outline borders like this. Okay. So you can also give a picture effect. So picture effect means like reflections, shadows, reflections, anything you can select here. So I'm just selecting the reflection here. See if I'm selecting a reflection here. See the picture reflection in the down how it is showing. So like this. Okay. So these types of formats you can do only if you just insert a picture, and after inserting a picture, like if you select that picture, you will be opening a format option. This is a format option. Only in that case you can do the formats to your pictures. If not, you cannot do it. Okay. And you can reduce your picture size also. So like this, you can reduce the picture size like this. Okay, so you can move and you can keep your pictures also anywhere you can keep. Okay, and after inserting a picture, no, like we'll be having here like picture layout. So you can call as a picture layout. So you can select any type of picture layouts like this. So like this, you can select a picture layout like this. So I'm just writing here the heading like puppies. Okay. Fine. So next is the shapes. So here you have a shapes. No, these are all default shapes available in a MS Office in a Word document. You can select any of the shapes and you can drag it. Okay. So let me explain you here. See, like I'm just selecting some shapes over here. See, I'm just selecting the shapes like this. So you can select any of the shapes like this. Okay. See, like this, I have selected few shapes here. So once after inserting a shapes also, no, the same format option will be open. And from this format option, you can just give some different fill colors. So you can change. From here, you can change different types of a format option like this. Okay. And you can change your fill colors. Whichever the fill color is required, you can select that particular fill color here. And outline also, you can select any of the outline you require. So this is a shape filler. So just come to outline here. You can select any outline color. Any of the outline color is required, you can select like this. And effects for your outlines, like you can give reflections or any other outlines you can give. See, I'm selecting this outline. No, you see the reflection of that outline, how it is shown. See the reflection for your outline, however I have taken. And here you can also give some shape effects. So I'm just giving the effects of my shape here, like shadows I'm giving, as well as like I'm giving like a soft edges. I'm taking glow here, like any type of a glow you can select. Okay, so you can select like bevel options also, any type of a bevel options also you can select. Same way you can do it for your other things. And here you can select like a shape fill also. Any of the fill color you want, you can select that fill color. So like this. I've selected a green. See how green is showing here. So here further you can also give some outline. Yeah. I'm just taking a no outline over here. Okay, so I've taken no outline here. Here also outline you can give. You can select any of the outline here. See how the outline colors are showing like this. So what I do here, I'm just giving a no outline. I'm selecting no outline here. I'm just selecting only the fill color. Some fill color I have taken. I'm just selecting a bevel option here. This type of a bevel option here. Now you can increase your size. See, if you are increasing your size, see how the size is shown. And at the same time, I'm going to give some reflection here. See the reflection, how the reflection is showing here like this. And yeah, effects only. Yeah, you can select any of the effects from here like this. Okay, so like this I've just inserted few shapes also. So I'm just going to insert menu, click on a blank page again. So one more blank page has been inserted. So here the next blank page has been inserted. So if you just use your arrow keys from your keyboard, you can move your cursor wherever is required. Okay. So from here, no, these options. So you have a like icons, you have icons here. So many icons are available. So you can choose any of the icon. Okay, so you can choose any of the icon here. If you just click on insert, it will get inserted. So like this. So any type of icons you can choose here. These are all some types of icons actually. So these icons and all, it is like a revised actually. So when you can apply different types of icons as well as you can format the icons also. See how I'm formatting the icon here. So like this, you can just format your icon, you can change the icon colors, you can change the graphic colors, whichever the color is required, you can change that particular graphic colors here. Outline colors also. Actually there is no outline color, so I'm not going to give outline color here. So I'm just giving the effects. So like this. Same effects only I'm giving here also. Okay. So like this, I'm just giving some effects like this. So like this you can insert a different types of icons actually. Okay, so you can just click on the icon sets here. So you have like see body parts. If you take a body parts, many are there. If you just click on a business, see many icon sets are available. Okay, so like you have like when you just click on other options here. So when you're clicking on a medical, so you have a brain, you have like, so like I'll just click on these options here. So these are all few options which is related to your medicines, medicine icon sets. So like this. So you can insert any type of icon sets, you can insert over here. So like this. Okay. So the next the next option in the insert is smart arts. So smart arts are nothing about, you can select any type of a smart art over here. Okay, so if I'm selecting this type of a smart art, so it will insert like this. It will insert the data like this. So I can take here MS Office. I can take here languages. So I can take here languages. So here I can select MS Word. Here I can take MS PowerPoint. Okay. So here I can take like C. Here I can take like C, C++. I can take here. I can take here Java. Okay, so like this. You can change your settings like this. Okay. And you have different types of a color. Whichever the color you want, you know, like you can insert different types of colors you can insert here. Many options are there. You can insert like this. Okay. And further you can even change the colors also. And you can even change the layouts also. See the layouts, how it is changing. So like this. You can change anything in this format. So when you are inserting a color now, it will change the color like this. Okay. So these are few shapes where you can insert from your MS Word document. And you have a chart. Chart is nothing about, it will create a chart with the reference of your Excel. So it will just create a chart with the reference of your Excel. So like this. Okay. You can just cut this chart. You can come down and you can paste over here. So like this. So it will be inserted like this. Okay. You can reduce your chart sizes. So when you're reducing your chart size, everything comes in the one single sheet again. So like this. Okay. So these are the few options which is available in a insert mode. The most important thing is header and footer documents. So you can also insert your header and footer and page numbers also. So header means like it will be a heading of the file. You can select any type of a heading over here. So like this. So it's already taken as a student assignment as a heading here. And when you just click on a footer option, in the footer option you can also apply page numbers. So whichever the page number is required, like if you require a page number, if you require a like say I have taken like this a page numbers you can take, or you can even take like your college name, or you may also take like a page numbers, You may take signature lines. So anything you can select over here. Okay, so anything you can select in this page numbers. Okay. So I have written a college name over here and page number. You can take from here as a page number 1. So it shows you like page number 1 like this. Okay, see, like everywhere you see, it will just take to page numbers and all. Yeah. Click on a insert, click on a header, select the heading here. So it will show you the heading as a document, header as a student assignment. Same way, just go to a footer option, select your footer option here like this. So it will show you the footer option like this. See, automatically it will show you are into which page number. So if you just drag, no, it will show you automatically the page number like this. So this is about a header and footer, how you can create. So here itself I've explained you the page number, right? Again, this page number is also same. So these page numbers, you can apply the page numbers to your pages, like page, like you wherever you want, top, bottom, page margin or current position, wherever you want, you can apply these page margins over here. Okay. The next is like you have a text box. So you can also insert a text box in your page. Like text box is nothing about, like it will be used just to apply one small text in a rectangle format like this. You can put a small text like this, and this text now you can use like different types, like you can just copy, you can put everywhere. So like this, anytime, anywhere you can put a text like this. Okay, so this kind of designs also you can just put this kind of designs also in the same MS Word. Now you can apply this kind of designs and all you can use. So like this, see, I'm just taking a text, I've just applied a text box here. Now see like how I'm going to make a design here like this. So this kind of designs and all, it is possible only in text boxes only, with the help of a text boxes. You can see here how I have taken a text box and in which format I have taken the design like this. Okay, so these designs now, once like after you insert a text box, again further you can also change your formats. Whichever the format you want, you can make that kind of format like. Okay, so any format you can change over here like this. So like this, any formats you can change like this. And also shapes, any types of shapes, everything you can do. Okay, so formats also, no, like you can apply. So like this. So like this you can change. So like this you can change. So like this, you can change like this. Okay, so different types of formats you can do with the help of a insert menu. So basically this insert menu is used for you to apply the tables, like to insert the tables, to insert your pictures, shapes, icons, smart arts, charts, and inserting your header and footer and page numbers, and inserting for your text box. So basically this insert option will be used for, these are the options. It is used to do all these formats and to insert these options. Okay, so hope you all understood about the insert option here. Okay, so next class we can just discuss about designs and layout options. Okay, so if you have any doubts, you can just put a message in a comment. For any clarifications, you can just put a comment so that I will be able to reply to all your comments and all. So any doubts, any assignments or any notes if you require also, no, just put a comment. So I will be responding to all your comments and all. Any doubts you can clarify from there. Okay. So thank you so much.